family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have a review from NAVITUS Parfums, and this is Vanilla Eclat, okay? So this is not new, this has been out, but I was able to get this a part of my Scentbird subscription, one that was on my list to check out from NAVITUS, and yeah, you all know how we get into it, so let's just dive in. So versatility, is this fragrance versatile? I feel like this fragrance is pretty versatile. And let's just move to occasion. So what occasion do I see you wearing this fragrance? If you were going to a day party, even like a really chill back night event, I can see you wearing this. This is a great pairing, so it complements well. I could see you also wearing this like Netflix and chill, relaxing day. I feel like this can go for many of different occasions, different experiences, and even if you were running errands really quick, but you wanted to smell put together, and maybe you don't look put together, but you still wanted to feel put together, this is a great fragrance to do that with as well. So packaging is really pretty, okay? This is like a white bottle, and it actually looks, and I don't have the bottle, I have the travel side. So it honestly looks like there is a, like, you can see in the bottle, like it looks like the glass may be frosted, but you might still be able to see your fragrance juice in it. But I love it. I love the bottle. It again gives me white, and I don't even know if it has a gradient type of look, but I don't know. It's like white gold. It actually smells like what the bottle picture looks like. We'll get into it more. You all know how we do, but it definitely complements the scent well with what the bottle looks like. So let's get into the price. So pricing, it's at $195. Now, to me, in my opinion, I feel like a luxury niche type of fragrance at $195 to me is really good. I mean, you're used to seeing niche fragrances in the 300s, 400s, so on and so forth, okay? So I feel like it is a pretty just price for what you get. I don't have any beef with that. However, I know the price tag for others could be a little steep. You like $195? Yeah, no. But honestly, in my opinion, I feel like it's a pretty great price for a niche fragrance. Now, does this lean more feminine or masculine? I feel like definitely a little bit more feminine to me, but I could see a male wearing this in combination with something else. I feel like a male, I can't just see him just wearing this fragrance, but if he were to complement this fragrance with another like vanilla with woods in it, like heavier woods, I can absolutely see a man getting away with this. But I feel like this definitely leans a little bit more on the feminine side. However, again, you wear what you want to wear. Everything is unisex at this point, and so hey, this is just my opinion. Now, this fragrance was launched last year in 2024, so it's not old, but let's get into the notes that are in this fragrance. We have rice, coconut, Sicilian bergamot. We have buttermilk, caramel spices. We have cinnamon, vanilla, sandalwood, amber, and gaiac wood, okay? So now that we got all the deets out the way, all the things, a little foundation of it, let's get into my real thoughts on this fragrance. Now let's get into it. So this fragrance was created by Chris from the Perfume Nest. And she is a beautiful woman. I watch her here and there from time to time. I feel like, listen, I got to catch up with everybody, okay? So let's get that straight. I've been MIA and traveling, so I got to get caught up with the catching up. But I love watching her channel. She is very in-depth. Like, just how she describes fragrances, I want to be that one day, you know, like in my own way still. But she is really good at describing things. I bought a fragrance or two or 20 from her recommendations. She loves gourmand, so we kind of fit in that same lovely bunch of oats, okay? And so when she came out with her perfume from NAVITUS, I really wanted this. The thing that I hesitated on was the rice note. I was like, rice note, buttermilk, like milky, like I just could not picture that in my head. I was like, this is not coming together. But I did not want to buy the full bottle until I kind of got my nose on it, right? Just because I was nervous about some of the notes, okay? But because not that I haven't blind bought every NAVITUS fragrance that I have, but a lot of things, like if I am kind of curious or like about the notes, I'm more cautious and I'm like, I want to sample. So when I saw that Scentbird had this in my queue automatically, now let's just say it's on my wish list. Sis, Chris, you did that. Okay, girl, you did that. Like sorry for doubting you. I really didn't doubt you. I just really didn't know about the notes. But either way, girl, I should have never even questioned it because you got taste. I love this rice milky essence in this fragrance. It gives me like, it puts me in the mindset of like a big hug, like a comfort pillow, like a plush blanket. Like it just puts me like luxury and plushness, and like you can go out with your boo and your girls from like Netflix and chill, like comfort of your home. Like it really puts me in all different spaces. I adore this. And to me, I feel like even with my milky fragrances that I don't have something quite like this, because not only I do get the rice and the buttermilk, but I also get woods. I get the spice. I get the cinnamon, right? And so it's almost like I don't want to compare it to Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but I want to compare it to Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And if you don't like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I'm not saying that you won't like this, but it gives me like a little sexy Cinnamon Toast Crunch, if that was a thing. Like, oh, it is so good. And it's not like a turn off, like a sweet, like this is too sweet for comfort. It really is just, it's so comforting. The spice is not too heavy. It's so great. Like all the notes blend so well. And I will be getting a full bottle. It is on my wish list. Like a lot of other things, but it is on my wish list. I enjoyed this on my trip. I will also say I paired this with another milky beauty, which was Blanche Bette from A Liquid Imaginaire. And when I say compliment Zound, okay? Compliment Zound, okay? Because Blanche Bette to me elevated it to like the sweet, like if you're looking for more sweetness, because this I wouldn't say like is overly sweet, but if you want like push that sweetness, Blanche Bette and this was like who you talking to? I know I smell good. Yeah. Oh, it is so good. Like Chris, you did so good with this. I am definitely going to get a full bottle. It is on the top of my wish list, so I will soon get me a full bottle because I have to have this in my Latonic beautiful collection. Because again, to me, this is unique and different in my collection. Like I can't talk about you all. You might have 10 hundredths of a milky fragrance that may smell like this. And I love that. I love that for you in your life, but your sis right here, I ain't got her, but I want her for that rice. Like, it is so good. Oh, it's so good. Now, I will say, the only thing is I wish that it like lasted more. I felt like I got whiffs of it after time kept going, but I don't feel like it gave the impact of like how the opening did, right? I felt like throughout the day it kind of like settled in, and it was like, oh, here you go. Here you go. Like it gave me that. But I will say, pairing it with Blanche Bet, last all night. Like, sis was like, I got you, homie. We gonna bring Vanilla Eclat with us, and we gonna have Blanche Bet, and we gonna both work together. When you get tired, you gonna be stronger, and vice versa. Like, it was such a great pairing. I had an amazing time with it. So again, Chris from the Perfume Nest, honey, well done. Okay, I will be getting me a bottle. Absolutely, it has to be in my collection, guaranteed. Okay, it might need to be a gift. But that is all. Have you all experienced Vanilla Eclat? I hope you have, and if you haven't and you have Scentbird, I would highly suggest adding it to your queue so you can experience this beautiful, beautiful comfort hug, okay? That you didn't know that you needed, but you need. You need this, sis. Trust me. Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.